Welcome back, guys. CryptoFolite channel. Today we'd like to talk about Solana Sol USDT trading pair with my custom maker set. Let's dive in, guys. Recently I found on Twitter some interesting fractal, but I don't think so it will play out. So it looks like let me check bars pattern. I guess this one. So the people compare now this drop bounce with this drop bounce. All right, so let's double check. So this is a top, for example, to let's say this bottom. All right, if this is it, for example, let's say this was the top. It not looks similar, right? Not that much. I don't know how people trying to find some similarity, between these patterns. But anyway, all right, let's see. So the target should be again $75 or even 58. So I don't know if we use like this one here, maybe this one. So it should be once again the 27 block. If we use like a buy body candle, nah. Not that one. All right, guys. So it's hard to say. I don't see any similarity, between this drop and bounce and this drop and bounce. People trying to find all the time. If someone bearish, you will 100% will find some bearish signals. If you're bullish, you will 100% will find what you're looking for on the chart. If not on a monthly time frame, you will find it on a daily time frame. So, guys, don't pretend to be always right, and try to guess the future, right? You have to not guess the future. You have to build a plan what you will do if, for example, if the SOL drop to, let's say, to 118, what is your reactions? You will buy it or you would skip it. Now with $145 per SOL, your actions. You buy or you skip it. You wait the lower or you open position now. So it's always about the actions. So people just try to predict. So you're looking on the chart, you try find some bearish one. So here, this is definitely we should bounce to 189 and form the head and shoulder and collapse it down to $10. Looks good, right? Nah, I don't like it. I need to open the monthly chart. This gap, we will come back and close later. I want to see the impulse correction to 0.5 level by FIB and new all-time high. No. I want to find this one on the chart. So this is, you don't understand. This is a global double bottom. We should drop here and go to 600. No. It's cap and handle. Cap and handle. Bam. So guys, there's million variations, so that's the point. And the main goal is to build a plan, what you personally do with this token or any other tokens. And only the time will show you it was a correct plan or not, But people pretend, always act like they genius, right? I have no idea what will happen this weekend between the United States and Iran. Nobody knows. Right? But we can take an action today. So for now, I not trade a SOL. I skip the SOL. If the SOL will drop 75 or 42.25, maybe I will speculate it again. Speculate it. I have zero interest in SOL like investment because time to buy SOL was here around 27 block. I believe the same time I believe in new all-time high for SOL because of seasonality, because of sentiment now on the market. And for me, all of this price movement looks more like this one, like this time, but without this crazy parabolic move. If we will see that parabolic move, the target absolutely still the same. It's conservative one. It's 373, 558. That's it. I don't believe in SOL or 1K for SOL. The driver, it can be the SOL ETF. Just the rumors, even just the rumors, or even the fact about a SOL ETF. And I will be not surprised if will start climbing up to the top like this one, sweep liquidity, hit the new all-time high here, and around here, they will approve the ADF and we'll go down into correction again. So this is more likely. And after that, the last wave up and bear market. Hard to say by timing, but it can be to the end of 2025 or even, I don't know, beginning of 2026. Also, no make sense to try and predict the time. Is it possible? So it was just a range, right? And we formed deviation at the top, deviation at the bottom, and we now at equilibrium, and we should drop again to the bottom. Yes. But my take is, I think we are in the uptrend, higher. This is a global one. It's like lower high. This was a higher high. This is a higher low. So we should build something like this one. I don't know. You can build the triangles. You can build just liquidity pools like this one. Trade test equilibrium, dropping, going higher. So there's million variations, but the target's absolutely still the same. What I showed you, I don't know, even here. So 27 block task set. Next step is 373, 558. Why I'm not buying the SOL? Because for me, it's not interesting to invest in token with potential gains like 158% or 300. But at the same time, the potential drops 70% and even lower, because if I'm buying now and we drop some black swan, something happened in the world, something crazy. 2 hours at the break even, I need to see the recover back pump 236. That's why 236 at the break even, right? Drop potential and 158 gains. That's why I skip the SOL. So the SOL for me is not a safe haven. Like, oh, I invest in some strong projects. Guys, there is no strong projects. The and the mantra was so great, strong project, a top performer. Everything was so good with but we crashed it down from 9 to 25 cents. That's why, guys, no make sense. Try to find some safe haven in coins like Ethereum or SOL, but everything should be in time, and the time accumulates. SOL was here. If you want to accumulate now, that's why you have to reduce the size of your position. So less risk. If we take a look on my custom indicators set, what's going on now? So is it okay to invest now in SOL or not? So based on indicator set on a weekly time frame, here was accumulation zone, here's distribution, here's distribution. Now, nothing. No accumulation, no distribution, based on ADZ direction, on ADZ indicator. 80 on direction indicator, sorry. ADZ, here was a buy signals, accumulation by whales. Here's the accumulation, now we're in the middle, nothing. Globally, I wish to see the bigger the variance like this one, yes, this bold line. So I wish to see something like this one, maybe even here, and bam. And the top since here, since April 2021. Something like this one, crazy divergence. So that's the point, guys. This is what I'm looking for on the chart. And when and if we will hit that 373, I will post the updates, and we can check and we can confirm this idea was right or wrong. And it's okay to be wrong. Now that time to buy SOL was here in the capitulation zone, this belief, this is a hope. So now the SOL in hope. And unfortunately, guys, everything now depends not about the price action. Everything depends of geopolitics in the world and United States actions. Do they strike? Will they strike the Iran or not? So that's the point. And that's a problem, because now we get institutional elites who trade this assets sector, crypto. Before, of course, we talk about decentralization, but crypto can't be decentralized because we centralize, because of the elites control the market. And if it's a decentralized market, why and how this market should react on some geopolitical stuff in the world, right? But it react. Sell, buy back. No main signal to buy yet. Last signals to buy back was here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we get the same buyback signal. Pretty good one. money power. Money inflow, money outflow, 1, 2, 3, every side bearish divergence. I don't know why the people invest in tokens at 250 if we traded at $10. Where's the logic? So now we are over the middle line, right? So, but no signals to money outflow, no signals to money inflow. That's why I skip this type of price action now. You know, I better find some tokens with a money inflow at the bottom and with a better risk ratio. For example, drop 50%, but potential pump like 500 or 1,000. Take profit, guys. What I don't like we didn't test the buy line. That's the point why we can drop and test it. I hope we will not test it, but if we will, it's $98. That's a fact, guys. Fundamental value of the SOL is 73. Daily buy line now 99.20. Fundamental value 75. 12 out of frame. So we drop, now recover back, we bounce a test, perfect test, rejection at, take a look, rejection at take profit line. So you could fix it here. Buying here, for example, in March 2025, yes, being sometime in losses. So you could buy at 118, sell exactly at the top, 185, 84. And buy line now, it's 109, from my value 80, 88. So guys, now I skip personally the SOL. I believe in, in meme coins pumps again. Yes, I believe in it. I believe in spot ETF for SOL. Yes, it's like one of the main driver. And I believe some negotiation between the countries on a geopolitics, maybe between the Ukraine and the Russia, maybe between the Iran and Israel and the United States. And I believe in BTC dominance under 50%. So this is like bullish reasons, but I can't know the time. So the targets is relevant. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what do you think about a SOL. If you'd like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.